Hi viewers and welcome to Breaking Down Nigerian Pidgin English. I'm Bafo. Gratitude is a selfless, deep appreciation for things we receive, whether tangible or intangible, and is synonymous with thankfulness. A practice of gratitude can help you feel more positive, build stronger relationships, and experience catharsis or the release of strong emotions. Today we're going to look at some expressions to show gratitude in Nigerian Pidgin English. Let's get the ball rolling. I no fit thank you enough. Words no fit express how much you mean to me. I dey more grateful to you than you go ever know. I dey grateful. I no go ever forget your support and kindness. I appreciate you, die. You be the best. I dey grateful for. I dey very grateful for. I dey indebted to you. And you can add the following intensifiers to your expressions. Intensifiers like forever, deeply, eternally, extremely, then the word grateful. For example, I dey forever grateful. I dey eternally grateful. I dey deeply grateful. We dey extremely grateful. Thanks a million for watching and see you in my next video with a continuation of our expression series. Bye for now.